Hello and welcome to our tutorials. Today we'll be going through the song Michael Row the Boat Ashore, which is featured in grade initial of Trinity College London's keyboard syllabus. This song is in the key of C major. If you don't know what a scale or key of C major is, please go through our technical work tutorial for initial grade. As this is an own interpretation piece, there are no suggested voice or style. But for demonstration purposes, I have used trumpet as voice and a Latin style. You can also improvise on the piece accordingly. Although the improvised notes are quite audible, it's not shown on the keys because, hey, why should I have all the fun? There is a slow and medium paced tutorial as well for this song. Be sure to check them out if you have doubts. Now let's look into the song.